Unlocking Success, the meaning of golden ticket. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase that you might have heard in movies, books, or even in everyday conversation. Golden ticket. This phrase has a special meaning and usage in the English language, and understanding it can give you a golden opportunity to sound like a native speaker. The phrase, golden ticket, comes from the classic children's novel by Roald Dahl, titled Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. In the story, a golden ticket is a pass that allows the holder to enter the magical chocolate factory owned by Willy Wonka. It represents a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to experience something extraordinary. In modern usage, a golden ticket refers to an opportunity, advantage, or access that is very valuable and potentially life-changing. It's like a key to success or happiness that is difficult to obtain. When someone says they have a golden ticket, it means they found a path to achieve their dreams or goals. Let's look at how to incorporate golden ticket into our everyday language with some examples. Her scholarship to study abroad was the golden ticket to a better education. Landing a role in the play was his golden ticket to getting noticed in the acting world. Finding a rare vintage guitar at a garage sale was a real golden ticket for the musician. English is rich with idioms. Here are a few that convey a similar meaning to golden ticket. A foot in the door, an initial entry into a profession or organization. The key to the kingdom, something that gives you control over a situation or environment. A lucky break, an unexpected opportunity leading to success. We hope this video has been your golden ticket to understanding this colorful expression. Remember, language learning is your passport to new experiences and connections. Keep an eye out for your own golden tickets in life and use them to unlock your full potential. Happy learning, and see you next time.